Okay, 5-68, we're just going to solve each equation and solve for x. So for part A, we have the denominator 3 and 5, so I'm just going to use the fraction buster to get rid of it. And the lowest common multiple between 5 and 3 is 15, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 15. Okay, so what this means is that we're going to have 15 groups of x plus 1, and we're dividing it by 3 on this side, and this side is going to be 15 groups of that, x plus 2, and divided by 5. Okay, so if I have 15 groups, I'm dividing by 3, I'm going to end up with 5 groups of x plus 1. Here I'm going to have 3 groups of x plus 2. Okay, and then from there I can go ahead and use the distributive property. I'm going to distribute the 5x plus 5 equals, and then distribute the 3x plus 6, and from there we're just going to use our equation solving skills. So let me go ahead and rewrite the equation up here. Plus 5 equals 3x plus 6. I'm going to subtract 3x, 2x plus 5 equals 6. I'm going to subtract 5, I'm going to get 2x equals 1, divide by 2, x equals 1/2. Okay, that was A. For B is a little more complicated because now there are more denominators. Okay, we have 3, 4, and 2. So the lowest common multiple between 3, 4, and 2 is going to be 12. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 12. Okay, and let's go ahead and rewrite this. I'm just going to go and rewrite this on the side. Let's go and do it down here. Okay, so I'm going to distribute the 12. Distribute the 12. So we're going to have 12 times x thirds, or x over 3, plus 12 times x over 4, plus 12. 12 times 1 is 12, equals, well, I know I have 12x over 2, so 12 divided by 2 is 6x. Okay, here let's go and simplify this. 12 divided by 3 is 4x, plus 12 divided by 4 is 3x, plus 12 equals 6x. Combine the like terms, 7x plus 12 equals 6x. I'm going to go ahead and let's go and subtract 6x from both sides. I'm going to get x plus 12 equals 0. Okay, I'm going to rewrite this up here. X plus 12 equals 0. Now, we're not done. We have to get rid of the plus 12, and to do that we just subtract 12 from both sides. Okay, so we have x equals 0 minus 12 is just negative 12. So x equals negative 12.